Let's make a Diet Dark and Stormy, also known as a Dark and Skinny. Goslings Rum is one of the few distilleries that has both a website and a YouTube channel. And they have recipes on both their website and their YouTube channel. And those recipes don't always match. In the case of the Diet Dark and Stormy, which is on their website, it does match the recipe for the Dark and Skinny, which is on their YouTube channel. So the names don't match, but the drink does. And that's what we're going to make today. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the official Dark and Skinny or the Diet Dark and Stormy from Goslings Rum, then you probably should be using their Goslings Black Seal rum. If you'd like to make this drink with a different rum, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the official Dark and Skinny or the official Diet Dark and Stormy. To make this drink, we're going to start by filling our glass with ice, and the official glass is a tall glass. I'm using a Collins. I'm not going to fill it all the way because this is a little short for the drink we're going to be using. One more, come on. Yes, okay. We'll see if that fits. Now I'm going to put 6 ounces of Goslings Diet Stormy ginger beer into the glass. 6 ounces, 180 milliliters. Note that I don't normally measure these. Normally I just put the ginger beer in and then put the rum on top. But for the sake of authenticity, I'm going to measure out 6 ounces of this ginger beer, diet ginger beer. Now, I did just pour 5. You should be putting in 6. Should. I mean, I'm not the boss, so you do what you want. But I'm worried about fitting all the rum in here, and I want the rum more than I want the ginger beer. So 2 ounces of Goslings Black Seal rum, 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And I am going to try to float this on top. Wish me luck. I don't always have the best luck with this. I wonder if it'd be better if I used my offhand. Oh, let's pour this out first. Offhand for the spoon and my strong hand for the rum. Let's give that a try. Oh, that works better. I should do that next time. Garnish is a wedge of citrus. They suggest a lime or a grapefruit wedge. I'm going to use a lime wedge. And I'm going to put in a straw. And normally I'd suggest stirring this drink before you... I could just kind of stir it. I'd suggest stirring the drink before you drink it because all the rum's on top and all the ginger beer's on the bottom. I was hoping to take a picture, but I guess that's good enough. I mean, Diet Dark and Stormy, or Dark and Skinny, drink with good spirits. Question of the day, do you enjoy diet sodas? If you do, let me know in the comments down below so I can know to avoid you later. I hate diet sodas. I won't avoid you, but you know, do your thing. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.